Hello everyone, it's Paula here. Just here to share one of my fall journals with you. This one is a 9x6, I think it is. Usually they are 9x6. And let's see, make sure so I can't say it new. 5 3/4, something like that. Okay, sorry, I had to pause for a second. Anyways, the main kit in here is from My Porch Prints. And in here we also have Tsunami Rose and Willow Bound Journals. And let's see, Calico Collage, a little bit of her. And yeah, I think those are the main ones that are in here. Anyways, let's get to it. It's a hardback cover. Can't tell, but anyways, I covered it with this really cool fabric, and I put this on the front, and I just cut behind here, and I sewed around it, and in here is the real cover. I love this so much. And in the pocket, I just put these 3 cute little tags inside there. And let's see, just like that. I think that's so cute. And it's 2 signatures, and this is the back. I sewed around that as well and put the little hard cover corners on there, and it's a ribbon closure. And yeah, I already said it was 2 signatures, right? Did a lot of sewing and whatnot in here. Let's get that out of the way. Here we have a lace pocket with some fringe on the bottom. And inside we have 2 tags. And this tag that I made. I think that one's so cute. And then this is for journaling. And I just stuck that in there like that. This is some graphic 45 paper right here on the inside, and on the spine I just used some different ribbon that I had in my stock. There is the journaling kit, and I did some stamping, and this is printed on vellum right here so you can see through it. I love that. More stamping, some tabs from the kit sewed in this pocket. This is just a little cluster I made right here. And then these 2 tags. This one is Tsunami Rose. I love her collage pages. And this is just a photo, a really pretty page from a magazine I have. Did a little cute stamp right there. Some ledger, some vintage ledger. That's a bit bright in my face. And this is out of a 2021 catalog, and I just thought it was gorgeous, so I just wanted to put it in here. Not catalog, good grief, Paula. Calendar. And I just thought they were pretty, so I'll put it in here. Did a little cluster with this little bag, which has this little journaling card inside. I just added that to it. And some ruffle that I made with a leaf and a button on it. This is one of my stamps that I have, and I absolutely love it. Forgot all about having it. So I stamped it in here, and this is the envelope. I left it undone. She can glue it if she wants, or not. Leave it, and you can journal on the inside, the whole inside of it. I added this little piece right there. And I don't know I don't know what you call those. You know, I have a whole bin of them right here that I've been playing with. A little piece of ephemera, there you go. And over here we have a little bag, a glassine bag on here. And I just made this journaling tag out of one of the pages. And we have this one as well, and this little envelope, which is empty, and I just tucked that in there like that. This little tag I love the top of that. I love the way that looks. And this is a little paper clip I made. Just a little cluster paper clip with this journaling card. On the pages. I just glued that banner down just because I love it and it's cute. The stamping. Over here we have some snippets that she can decorate her journal with. And put that back in there. If I can. And this is a Tsunami Rose as well, her big elements, her flower ones. Love that. Little tab. Little pocket here that I sewed around with this journaling card. I left a lot of the strings because I just like it. Sewed around this one and put this little journaling card inside. Got a lot of pages in this one. This cute little pocket. I think that's so cute. Another Tsunami Rose big journaling card that I sewed around. And this one is already made. This came with the kit. I love that tag. And so did this little guy. And in here we have this one, which is Willow Bound Journals ephemera. And I love, she's got some really cute ones. I love that. Another calendar butterfly, a little piece of ephemera. Over here is one of those addition cards that I just did some clustering on. And this is Tsunami Rose. We have these two pieces of ephemera in this pocket, which I just cut around, and in here is another one that I just added this to. Come on. And then this is just a little snippet piece that I clipped on there. The other piece of that. Here is another button and another little feather dangle. And here is some pieces of snippet that she can cut out and use for other things throughout the book. Uh-oh, did I glue it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! Well, that is disturbing. I'll just have to cut that off. Make it a little smaller. We have these two from Graphic 45. That's not good. I don't like it when I glue things. Glue things down. I know everybody does it, but it's so frustrating, right? It's a cute little tag. And this is some journaling spots. Like this. There's a little glitter leaf there. And over here we have a belly band I made. And this is just a little journaling spot. And this is some coffee dyed paper folded like an envelope. And I just tucked that in there like that. I love this kit. It's so pretty. Super love it. Little pocket. I just added this little cluster. And this is for some extra journaling. And a little tag. A little tuck spot here with this journaling card. And I just added those. Oh my goodness. Whose were those? Those little doilies. They're so cute. I can't remember. Let me see. I think they are from, this is one of the little, she scanned her doilies and you can fussy cut them out. Cover to Cover Creations, I believe. And we also have here this stuffed envelope pocket with this behind it. And we have just a whole bunch of ephemera in here. I just made this little cute one out of one of the tags. This is Graphic 45. This is from the kit. This is just a little sewn on tag. Graphic 45. This is from the kit as well. And so are these. I just tucked them in here. I never get them in here the same way twice. So we'll just put them in like that. Here is 2 pockets that I made with vellum pockets, so you can see through them, and just added some lace right here. This is one of the big old tags from, oh my goodness, who was that from? That was from, let me see, Willowbound Journals, I believe. And then this tag is from a page from the kit, and I just tucked it in there. So there's 2 big old tags. Oops, sorry. Knocking the book around. I love this, so pretty. Here is a fabric pocket with a little cluster right there. Almost broke it. And a fabric tag that I made. Well, a music tag what I had a fabric pocket on and put some cluster on there. And just added this little cute tag in the pocket. And then these 2. Little stuffed tag, I guess. I guess I need to glue that. I don't like that idea right there. Maybe I need to hot glue it. Because it's too... so I don't burn my finger. There. I don't want that flopping around anytime soon. Now I got glue on my finger. And here I made a paper clip. I think that's so cute. This journaling tag underneath. On the other side, I made a big honkin' old tag. This is from the kit. And then there's that. Here's another envelope with these 2 in this pocket. And this one is a graphic 45, and it goes inside there. And here is, this is a real hydrangea. Oh my goodness, you can't even see it. This is a real hydrangea right here that my friend dried for me, and I put it in with washi tape and added that. And it is just a little tuck spot. I love that, so pretty. And this is a journaling tag. And you can tuck back there as well. And whoopsie. And back here is another one of those edition cards that I did some... goodness, I just made a little cluster and put it on there. I can't, my words are missing today. I don't understand it. And then we have this little tag. And this is a little envelope inside there. And that is the first autumn journal that I made. I have another video coming up for the other autumn journal I made with the same kit but just slightly different. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I am going to be doing a giveaway video really soon because I hit 6,000 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to give y'all something back. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.